Before we finish reading, we're going to review the blue text box questions on the right and the check for understanding questions at the bottom. Number 6, underline the definition of conclusion. So you're going to click on the red line and drag it over to the definition of conclusion in the reading over here. Number 7, why do historians draw different conclusions about events of the past? Check for understanding. Explain how historians use different sources to draw conclusions. How are a person's point of view and bias related? A conclusion is a final decision that is reached by reasoning. It is like an inference. Historians draw conclusions about events of the past. They look for facts and evidence in their sources. Then they use reasoning to draw a conclusion. Sometimes historians disagree in their conclusions. For example, some historians say that Genghis Khan was a brutal warrior. They tell how he would destroy cities and kill people when he came to a new land. Other historians disagree. They say that Genghis Khan was a good ruler. His empire had a time of peace. Traders were safe to trade goods. People were protected by good laws. Which conclusion is correct? Was Genghis Khan a cruel warrior or a good leader? A historian may use evidence to explain his or her conclusions. If both conclusions are supported by evidence, they both can be correct. Examine primary sources. Use already known facts. Read secondary sources. Use facts to make an inference or draw a conclusion. Write article about inference or conclusion.